How to make money prompt using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automated tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So, firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into ChatGPT. So, first of all, the first step, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So, here we have give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as a t-shirt designs. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course, ChatGPT is going to provide us with these prompts that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs, as you can see. So we have here show mature, sand, abstract geometric shapes. We have vintage ritual wave, space exploration, tribal and cultural fusion, animal kingdom mashup, flora and school fusion. Then we have minimalist line art, fantasy warrior. Then we have psychedelic fractal patterns. So all I have to do right now is just choose one of those and then copy it and paste on Runway. So what is Runway? Runway, this is the home page. Then I will explain what is Runway later. So let's come back and copy one of this. So let's choose this one. Then let's go to Leonardo. So let me first introduce you what is Leonardo. So Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompt. So in the home page here we have a various information. So if you want to get started, all I have to do is click over here and you write your email address and your password, and then you will find this home page. But before, you have to scroll down to know more information about Leonardo and how it works. For example, here we have for creators, for teams, for developers, and also other information you can just read it to more understand about Leonardo.ea. So let's go to the home page. We have here are various things like, so let's come back here. I will show you how you can click over creation. So this is the home page of Leonardo.ea. You click over image creation here, and then all I have to do is just paste what you already copy on ChatGPT. So let's paste this one. So then you choose in settings here, preset. So you select the one you want. Then prompt enhance, also you choose automatic on or off. Then contrast you choose high, medium, low. Then we have generation mode, also fast quality, image dimensions, also we have here small, medium, large, also. Then we have number of images 1 2 3 4, the max is 8, as you can see. Then we have private mode, you can switch on this one if you want it. Then we have advanced settings like for real, negative prompt, transparency, talent, use talent, sorry. Then we have use fixed seed. Then the last step is click over generate. So as you can see, you have got these credits, alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 130 of these credits and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just here use them. So here is my thing, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now, as you can see, it's bad with words. Alright. Now try to write something on the screen with AI image generator right. Just don't bad. Like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompts. Click on generate one more, then and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirt design. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just roll over those to the t-shirts, to mug, to cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we can and we make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runaway. So why Runaway? Runaway is a website that can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and you create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this on whenever you get some cash for investing. So to make money using ChatGPT, draw prompts, start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, and or use the prompt yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works with this website running well and Leonardo.ea. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.